One thing I would really want to talk about with this fixture is the components that are in it. If you're going to source directly from China, chances are you're going to end up getting third, fourth, or fifth tier components. That's diodes and or power supplies. And those are things that you just don't want to compromise on. So it's best to work with a trusted vendor, even if they are just third-party white labeling fixtures. The difference to those middlemen is about $100 on the bill of materials, and that translates to about $300 for the end consumer. The difference being, a $300 to $500 fixture versus a $700 to $1,000 fixture, they could look identical. And unless you nerd out on this stuff like I do, there's no way to know the difference unless you work with a trusted vendor. Another consideration is that you want to work with a trusted vendor, or at least somebody who's been in business for a long enough time and will be in business for a long enough time to take care of you should you have issues. It's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when things fail. Failure rates, it ranges from 1% to 2% within 3 to 5 years, up to 15 to 20%, depending on the quality of components. And so you want to make sure that you got a company that you can work with that has the ability to help you out, service that, and get you new fixtures if you need it. One thing I would really want to talk about